Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to convert the HEIC to JPG on Mac. So HEIC is a high efficiency image container photo, which is a default photo format in Apple iPhone and iPad. So if you want to convert this image format into JPG format, which is compatible across multiple devices, so what you need to do is first you need to add the image into your macOS. So right now you can see here I have an image in .heic format which I have airdropped from my iPhone. So for converting into JPEG or JPG, what you can do is you can right click on that particular image. In the context menu, go to quick actions, and here you would see the convert image option. So you can just select that. It will open up this convert image window where you can choose the format, which format you want to convert it, and you can just select that and keep the size actual and click on convert to JPEG. So here you can see the image has been converted into JPEG or JPEG format. This is one way. The another way is what you can do is you can just double click on that image which will open in the preview window. In this preview window, what you can do is you can just go to files, and within the files menu you can just go and select export. And after clicking on the export, you have this export window where you can give it a name and where to save and the format that you want. Here there are even few other formats which were not available in the quick action menu. So you can just go and select another any other format here, and let me change it to something else like copy, and then I will click on save, and it will create a new file format here in the underscore copy. In this way you can convert the .heic format into JPEG or JPEG. Now if you have multiple images, what you can do is you can just select those multiple images. Let's say I can copy this. So I have two .hc. So what I can do is I can select the command key on my keyboard. I will select the multiple images, and from here I can just right click and you can see the new folder for selection. The two items are selected. Again, go to quick action and click on convert images, and you can just do the same actions that you have done and it will convert into JPEG image. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.